This is the most satisfying way to paint. This is how a master leveled a road. A professional never leave a mark. This guy brought Minecraft into the real world. This how a professional load an excavator on his own. Working above the cloud. Nothing go to waste with this guy. Work smarter, not harder. If Tarzan was a painter. This is how a professional plaster the wall in seconds. Who need a machine when you have this guy? Teamwork make the dream work. This how a tall ceiling is painted. Who said you can't have fun on the job? This how professionals spray foam in buildings. Just satisfying. This machine can help you save time and money. This what you call a creativity. Satisfying way to sandblast a door. A clever way to smooth a column. Girls get it done too. A smart way of using measuring tape. This worker uses a rope to make gaps between the bricks. With just a simple metal pipes, you can save yourself from back pain. Only wood dust and glue to hide the seams. quick way to remove plaster from the ceiling.